Every successful project begins with a strong, competent team. The people you choose to work with can make or break your project's outcome. Teams bring together diverse skills, perspectives, and experiences, allowing for creative problem solving and efficient task completion. When everyone works together, challenges become easier to overcome, and goals are reached more quickly. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps to building a project team that's not just capable, but truly outstanding. Let's start by understanding what makes a team effective and why investing time in team building is crucial for project success. For assembling your team, it's vital to have a clear understanding of your project's goals. Defining these objectives sets the direction and expectations for everyone involved. When team members know exactly what they're working towards, they can align their efforts and collaborate more effectively. Clear goals also help in identifying the specific skills and expertise needed on your team. This foundational step ensures that everyone is on the same page from the very beginning, reducing confusion and increasing motivation throughout the project. Once your goals are set, the next step is to identify the key roles required to achieve them. Every project needs a mix of leadership, technical expertise, and support functions. Think about roles like project manager, technical lead, designer, and quality assurance. By mapping out these roles early, you ensure that no critical responsibilities are overlooked. This clarity helps in recruiting the right people and assigning tasks that match each member's strengths, setting the stage for a well-balanced and efficient team. Roles defined, it's time to select the right team members. Look for individuals who not only have the necessary skills, but also demonstrate a positive attitude and willingness to collaborate. Diversity in backgrounds and expertise can greatly enhance your team's creativity and problem-solving abilities. Consider both technical qualifications and interpersonal skills, as both are crucial for effective teamwork. Remember, a competent team is built on a foundation of trust, respect, and shared commitment. Clear team structure is essential for smooth project execution. Define reporting lines, communication channels, and decision-making processes early on. This structure helps prevent confusion and ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities. It also fosters accountability, as each member understands how their work contributes to the overall project. By establishing a solid structure, you lay the groundwork for effective collaboration and efficient progress. Setting clear expectations from the start is key to avoiding misunderstandings later. Outline each team member's responsibilities, deadlines, and performance standards. When everyone knows what's expected, they can manage their time and resources more effectively. This transparency also helps build trust within the team, as members feel confident that everyone is held to the same standards. Regularly revisiting these expectations keeps the team focused and motivated. Open communication is the backbone of any successful team. Encourage team members to share ideas, ask questions, and voice concerns without fear of judgment. Regular meetings, updates, and feedback sessions help keep everyone informed and engaged. When communication flows freely, issues are addressed quickly and collaboration thrives. Make it a priority to create an environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Trust is the glue that holds a team together. It's built through honesty, reliability, and mutual respect. Encourage team members to support each other and follow through on commitments. When trust is strong, people are more willing to take risks, share innovative ideas, and collaborate openly. Building trust takes time, but it's an investment that pays off in higher morale and better project outcomes. Collaboration is more than just working together. It's about leveraging each person's strengths to achieve common goals. Create opportunities for team members to collaborate on tasks, brainstorm solutions, and share knowledge. Use collaborative tools and platforms to streamline communication and document sharing. When everyone contributes, the team becomes more innovative and resilient in the face of challenges. Even the most skilled team members benefit from ongoing training and development. Offer opportunities for learning new tools, techniques, or industry best practices. Training not only enhances individual capabilities but also keeps the team adaptable to changing project needs. Encourage a culture of continuous improvement, where team members are motivated to grow and share their knowledge with others. Empowerment means giving team members the authority and resources they need to make decisions and take ownership of their work. When people feel trusted and supported, they're more likely to be proactive and innovative. Delegate tasks appropriately and encourage autonomy while still providing guidance when needed. Empowered teams are more engaged, motivated, and committed to project success. Conflict is inevitable in any team, but it doesn't have to be destructive. Address disagreements promptly and constructively, focusing on solutions rather than blame. Encourage open dialogue and help team members understand different perspectives. Effective conflict management strengthens relationships and leads to better decision-making. Remember, a healthy team is one that can navigate challenges together. Celebrating team and individual achievements boosts morale and motivation. Recognize both big milestones and small wins, whether through public praise, rewards, or simple thank yous. Acknowledging hard work shows team members that their efforts are valued, encouraging them to maintain high performance. Make recognition a regular part of your team culture to keep spirits high and drive continued success. Accountability ensures that everyone takes responsibility for their actions and deliverables. Set clear expectations and follow up regularly on progress. When team members hold themselves and each other accountable, trust and reliability grow. Use tools like progress trackers or regular check-ins to monitor tasks and address any issues early. Accountability is key to maintaining momentum and achieving project goals. Innovation drives project success by introducing new ideas and solutions. Create an environment where team members feel safe to experiment and take calculated risks. Encourage brainstorming sessions and reward creative thinking. When innovation is valued, teams are more adaptable and better equipped to overcome obstacles. Make it clear that every idea is welcome and worth considering. Modern projects benefit greatly from the use of technology. Utilize project management tools, communication platforms, and collaborative software to streamline workflows and keep everyone connected. Technology can automate routine tasks, provide real-time updates, and facilitate remote collaboration. Choose tools that fit your team's needs and make sure everyone is trained to use them effectively. Breaking the project into smaller milestones makes progress easier to track and celebrate. Set achievable targets and timelines for each phase of the project. Milestones provide motivation and a sense of accomplishment as the team moves forward. They also help identify potential roadblocks early, allowing for timely adjustments. Regularly review and update milestones to keep the team on track. Regularly monitoring team performance ensures that the project stays on course. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, and feedback to assess progress and identify areas for improvement. Provide constructive feedback and support to help team members overcome challenges. Monitoring performance is not about micromanaging, but about guiding the team towards continuous improvement and success. Change is inevitable in any project. Encourage your team to be flexible and open to new approaches. When unexpected challenges arise, work together to find solutions and adjust plans as needed. Adaptability helps the team stay resilient and maintain momentum, even when circumstances shift. Foster a mindset that views change as an opportunity for growth rather than a setback. Remote work is increasingly common in today's projects. Managing a remote team requires clear communication, reliable technology, and trust. Set expectations for availability, response times, and deliverables. Use video calls, chat platforms, and shared documents to keep everyone connected. Regular check-ins help maintain engagement and address any issues that arise from working apart. Balanced workload prevents burnout and keeps the team productive. Distribute tasks according to each member's strengths and availability. Monitor workloads regularly and adjust assignments if someone is overloaded. Encourage team members to speak up if they're struggling and provide support when needed. A fair distribution of work helps maintain motivation and ensures consistent progress. Feedback is essential for growth and improvement. Create a culture where team members feel comfortable giving and receiving constructive feedback. Regular feedback sessions help identify strengths and areas for development. Use feedback to celebrate successes and address challenges, ensuring that the team continues to learn and evolve together. Quickly addressing issues prevents small problems from becoming major obstacles. Encourage team members to report concerns early and work together to find solutions. Use problem-solving techniques and maintain a positive attitude when tackling challenges. Timely resolution keeps the project moving forward and strengthens team cohesion. Motivation drives productivity and engagement. Keep team members inspired by setting meaningful goals, recognizing achievements, and providing opportunities for growth. Foster a positive work environment where everyone feels valued and supported. When motivation is high, the team is more likely to overcome challenges and deliver exceptional results. Shared vision unites the team and provides direction. Clearly communicate the project's purpose, values, and desired outcomes. When everyone understands and believes in the vision, they're more committed to achieving it. Revisit the vision regularly to keep the team aligned and motivated, especially during challenging times. Prioritizing tasks ensures that the most important work gets done first. Help the team identify high-impact activities and allocate resources accordingly. Regularly review priorities as the project evolves and be prepared to adjust as needed. Clear priorities keep the team focused and prevent wasted effort on less critical tasks. Well-documented processes provide clarity and consistency. Create guides, checklists, and templates for common tasks to ensure everyone follows the same procedures. Documentation helps new team members get up to speed quickly and reduces the risk of errors. Keep documents up to date and easily accessible for the whole team. Having the right resources is essential for team productivity. Make sure your team has access to the tools, information, and support they need to do their jobs well. Regularly assess resource needs and address any gaps promptly. Providing adequate resources demonstrates your commitment to the team's success and helps prevent unnecessary delays. Time management is crucial for meeting project deadlines. Help the team plan their schedules, set realistic timelines, and avoid overcommitting. Use calendars, task lists, and time-tracking tools to stay organized. Encourage regular breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Effective time management keeps the project on track and reduces stress for everyone involved. A healthy team is a productive team. Support your team's well-being by promoting work-life balance, providing mental health resources, and encouraging open conversations about stress. Recognize signs of burnout and offer support when needed. When team members feel cared for, they're more engaged and able to perform at their best. Effective decision-making keeps the project moving forward. Involve the team in key decisions and encourage input from all members. Use structured processes to evaluate options and reach consensus. When decisions are made collaboratively, team members feel more invested in the outcomes and are more likely to support implementation. Ownership means taking responsibility for tasks and outcomes. Encourage team members to take initiative and be accountable for their work. Provide opportunities for leadership and recognize those who go above and beyond. When everyone feels a sense of ownership, the team is more motivated and committed to project success. Stakeholders play a vital role in project success. Keep them informed and involved throughout the project. Regular updates, transparent communication, and responsiveness to feedback help build strong relationships. Managing stakeholder expectations ensures continued support and minimizes the risk of misunderstandings or conflicts. Diversity and inclusion bring fresh perspectives and foster creativity. Encourage a culture where everyone feels welcome and valued, regardless of background or experience. Diverse teams are more innovative and better equipped to solve complex problems. Make inclusion a priority by addressing biases and promoting equal opportunities for all team members. Uncertainty is a natural part of any project. Prepare your team to handle unexpected changes by developing contingency plans and encouraging adaptability. Maintain open communication about risks and involve the team in problem solving. When uncertainty is managed proactively, the team remains confident and focused on achieving project goals. Regular progress reviews keep the team aligned and focused. Schedule check-ins to discuss achievements, challenges, and next steps. Use these sessions to celebrate successes and address any issues early. Consistent reviews help maintain momentum and ensure that the project stays on track. Mistakes are valuable learning opportunities. Encourage the team to reflect on what went wrong and how to improve in the future. Create a safe environment where failures are seen as chances to grow, not reasons for blame. Learning from mistakes builds resilience and drives continuous improvement. Positive team culture enhances collaboration and satisfaction. Celebrate your team's unique identity through traditions, rituals, or social events. Encourage team bonding and create opportunities for informal interactions. A strong culture makes work more enjoyable and strengthens the sense of belonging among team members. Evaluating team performance helps identify strengths and areas for improvement. Use performance reviews, self-assessments, and peer feedback to gain a comprehensive view. Set actionable goals based on evaluation results and support the team in achieving them. Regular evaluation drives growth and ensures ongoing project success. Effective leaders adapt their style to meet the needs of the team. Sometimes a hands-on approach is needed, while other times it's best to step back and let the team take the lead. Pay attention to team dynamics and be flexible in your leadership. Adaptable leaders inspire confidence and help teams reach their full potential. Professional growth benefits both the team and the project. Support team members in pursuing certifications, attending workshops, or taking on new responsibilities. Provide mentorship and guidance to help them reach their career goals. When people grow professionally, they bring new skills and energy to the team. Transparency builds trust and keeps everyone informed. Share project updates, decisions, and challenges openly with the team. Encourage questions and provide honest answers. When transparency is a priority, misunderstandings are minimized and the team feels more connected to the project's progress. Continuous improvement keeps the team evolving and competitive. Regularly review processes, seek feedback, and implement changes that enhance performance. Encourage a mindset of learning and adaptation. By striving for continuous improvement, the team stays ahead of challenges and consistently delivers high-quality results. As the project nears completion, prepare for a smooth handover. Document all processes, finalize deliverables, and ensure knowledge transfer to relevant stakeholders. A well-managed handover prevents confusion and ensures ongoing support for the project's outcomes. Plan ahead to make this transition as seamless as possible. After the project is complete, take time to reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Celebrate the team's achievements and acknowledge everyone's contributions. Use these insights to strengthen future projects and foster a culture of continuous learning and celebration. Remember, a competent project team is built not just by hard work, but by recognizing and appreciating every step of the journey.